Right, you guys, today we're going to be troubleshooting an error with our Synology NAS drive, and you can see here we've got an orange flashing status light on our Synology. Now this can be related to no hard drives are installed, and the status light will flash orange and green. The DSM has not been installed, or no volumes are created, or the volume is degraded mode, and also the volume has crashed. And we're going to be taking a look at which one of these it is with our Synology NAS drive, and we're going to try to fix it. Now you may go and search for your Synology NAS the way you normally would do by clicking on search here, and sometimes when you've got an issue with your NAS drive, especially Synology NAS drives, it's not going to be detected. As you can see here, no disk station found on your LAN, and this is quite common. But don't worry, there is a workaround to actually get this to work properly, and I'll show you how to do it. So there's a little link down here. If you look here, it tells you to click on this link, and this will be the Discovery Assistant. And when you get on here, you go to the Synology download page, choose what you're trying to do here. In our case, it's a NAS, and we need to put our model number for our NAS storage device here on the list. So just look for your version on here if you're having the same sort of issue as what I'm having. So what I'm going to do here is scroll through here. It does take a bit of time to find it because they've got a lot of products, and this is the one I'm looking for here. So I'm going to select this, and this will take us to the download center where we can download all our information here. So what you want to do is go over to the desktop utilities here. So I'm going to click on this. And now you can see here we have got a version for Windows and some other operating systems here, but I'm on a Windows operating system. So I'm going to download this file, and then we can get this installed on the system. And this should help us detect our NAS drive. So I'm going to install this. Now I've also turned off the firewall. If you've got any sort of firewall on here, I've got a zone alarm firewall. I have turned this off just in case this is causing an issue. So I'm just going to quickly turn that off and go through the installation process here and let this install, and we can launch the program. And once we launch this, you can see it has detected the NAS drive here. So I'm going to click on this and connect, and now we can put in our details here to log on to our NAS drive, and it's let us log in, and you can see it's an attention warning here which tells us there's an issue with our NAS drive. Now this one says attention, volume has degraded, and we need to repair and resolve this problem. So I'll show you how to do that in a second. First, I wanted to show you the Synology website. Under the Disk Station Manager, you can see here what can I do if the status light keeps flashing in orange, and it gives you some possible reasons what's causing this issue. And there's 5 things there, which is the volume has crashed, the volume has degraded, which is in our case no volume has been created, DSM has not been installed, and so on. So just go through here, and this Synology website is packed with useful information and also shows you solutions to problems that you may be having. So always go to their website and do a search for your error or for your problem that you're having, and there should be some sort of resolution to your problem here. So you can see here we've got some things that we can do here. I'm going to quickly go ahead and show you how I resolve my problem. And let me just quickly show you that right now. So let's go back to our Synology. And if we look in Storage Manager here on the overview, you can see the volume 1 has been degraded, and we need to resolve this. So this is what we're going to do here. So I'm going to go into, on the left hand side here, you should see Overview, Volume, Storage Pool, Hard Drive and SSD. And you can see here disk 3 is not initialized there, so we need to resolve this, and that's what's showing up in the list here. So we know that disk 3 has got a problem. It should be saying normal here. So let's go ahead and resolve this problem here. If we look in volume, there is no repair here, so it's probably in storage pool. So if we go into storage pool here and look under action, you should see repair. So I'm just going to click on repair here, and you can see it's selected the 3rd disk, and that's what we're going to do. All data will be newly added to that hard disk. It will format that disk. Something has gone awry there, so we need to fix it. And of course what we do is click apply, and it will go ahead and start to rebuild and sort this issue out for us, and hopefully when this is finished we should be back up and running and all our data should be copied across there. So let me just let this go through its thing here. You can see here up the top it says storage pool 1 repairing, and you can see the status is in repairing mode, checking parity and consistency, and it needs to go through the whole process here, and this could take a bit of time depending on how big the drive is as well. So just let that go through and do its thing, and eventually what will happen is it will say the drive is normal and everything is functioning fine, and you should see health status is normal as well. So just be patient and let it go through its thing here. Okay, you might see a few flashing lights on your Synology NAS drive, but don't worry about that. That's just going through its repairing mode. And as you can see here, the status is starting to go up now. You can see the repairing, checking parity is going up there. Now let's just check to see whether our data is still accessible on this drive, and you can see here is my stuff. I've got my phone photos and SD card backups and WhatsApp images and videos and all that stuff backed up on here, and it gets automatically backed up here. So the data is all safe on there, so that's not been deleted. So all we need to do here is just let this continue to do its repair. So we've got access to all our data, it's all safe, and hopefully this will resolve the problem. Now let's just take a quick look at our Synology NAS drive and make sure everything is running okay. And you can see here now the status light has gone green and everything has been resolved and fixed. So hopefully that helps you out, guys. I'll leave the link in the video description for you. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching, guys, and thanks for your continued support. Have a great day, and I shall see you again for another video real soon. Bye for now. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.